Hi guys, so the kit we've been waiting for is finally here, and I'll open it. So I just want to show you the content, and let me first start by thanking Microsoft for this opportunity. I've gained a lot from it. So let's see what is inside. When I open the box, so what we get first is the certificate. So I have the certificate from Microsoft, and it has this Microsoft logo over it, and it's signed. Yeah, so this is the first item we get in the beta circuit. So this is a beta circuit. We also have gold. And I'm hoping to get gold soon. Another item that we are having is this water bottle. Yeah, so you can see with a very nice Microsoft logo. Yeah, and that badge. So this is the second item we are having. Yeah. And the next items we are having, yeah, I disarranged them, so that's why they are looking messy kind of. So we are having stickers, yeah, from Microsoft Learn. Yeah, so the first sticker, so this one with the tag, that's like the love, it's called the what? Yeah, so be a force for good, yeah. Then we also have these other stickers for Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So you can learn about this program, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, from the platform. So you can visit the website, Microsoft Student Ambassador, search for that on your browser, and it will give you the link you can apply to join. The next item you're having is the socks. So this socks is there's a nice socks over here with the Microsoft logo and all over it. Yeah. So I think I'll be using this one on my events. And we're having this name tag. So there's the name tag and this one for holding it, right? So there's this nice one. So I think if I'm going to event, I'll just put it on. I think it's look nice on you guys, yeah? You'll tell me that in the comment section. So I also have this from the Windows Insider program. So this one is from the Windows Insider. So Windows Insider is generally about reviewing the bugs and checking and previewing Windows products before they are actually released. So yeah, so that's where I have this sticker for. And I also have another gift from the Windows Insider program that I'll scan to get the voucher that they are having for me. I also have this sticker sheets. So there are various stickers on them. So you can have this one with them. This is Azure logo, Microsoft Azure stickers on the LAN, Microsoft LAN account. So there's this one for Octopus, GitHub Octopus something, and Azure invent with purpose, and all those are the badges. There's this one Python shell, and I think this also Azure. This one mixed reality toolkit. Yeah? So these are 3 stickers sheet. Put them aside. Then we also have this. I guess maybe I put this one on. I think maybe I can just put them on if I'm having maybe an event or stuff. I might try them. I kind of what to put on. I'll try them. You'll see them later in action. So just wait. Then yeah. So I guess I forgot to remove that. We also have this. It's called Rubik's Cube or something. Oh, Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Rubik's Cube. Then we also have this stretch ball over here. And there's one element left, one item left. That's the t-shirt. So I also have the t-shirt from the Microsoft Student Ambassador. That's one I'm using during the event. So I'll test this stuff out and you guys will tell me how I look on them. So thank you. So let me try them out. So I'll post the video, then try them out and tell me how it looks. Okay, so I'm back. So this is the t-shirt and the tag. So this will be just the amber on it. So you tell me how I look in the comment section. And that's the certificate. So here are the badges, sample badges that we picked from that. So thank you guys.